Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to do unboxing. I bought this electric grill yesterday, and I'm gonna try it today. So I'm gonna do unboxing video first. So let's do it. I'm gonna show you guys. Here it is. This one. See? This is the grill. Look, it's right here. It's 12 by 16. That's the side. It's a smokeless grill. Yeah. Isn't that nice, guys? You can use this out inside. Look. So let's go see what's inside. What does it look like? Okay, guys. And let's open it. So let's open it, guys, and see what's inside. Let's see. Look. Let's take this out. Yeah, look. Let's put that aside. And this is the electric connection. This one. And this is like the plate. Look. Let's see. This is just like the frame. Yeah. Let's see. And I guess this one goes here to catch the grease. So you can catch the grease. See? And this goes right here. Just like that. Cool. And then, you see what they look like on the side, guys? Look. This is non-stick. Now we're gonna open this one. Just to connect. Look. This one is gonna go in here. See? Nice. There. And you just plug it in. And this is like the switch. The switch off. Then you turn it on. Like that. Pretty cool, huh? That's That's my grill. It's easy to clean because when you clean it, you just take it out like this. Let me see. And see, guys, the instruction is already in the box, so you don't really have to look on the instruction. It's right here. It's already shown. Really cool, huh? See? You can cook inside. So that's my unboxing today, guys. I hope you guys like it. And I'm going to use this probably later on or tomorrow. So I hope you guys have a good day, and thank you for supporting my channel, and hit all that button so you can so you can be notified when I have another video. So when I use this, I'm gonna make a video so I can, I can show you guys how it works and how the foods come out. So okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.